What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. As you guys can see, I already did half of my hair as a wash and go, but my niece is here with me and she's convinced that she can do every single thing as far as put on makeup, do hair. So I'm going to get her to do this side of my hair. Abigail, come.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm phoning, somebody should have told her
So she's going to be doing the next half of my hair. So you can do this wash and go?
Yeah.
Do you watch my videos?
No.
So everyone, do it if you don't watch my videos. Go watch a video and see how I do my wash and go. You see, the family's supposed to be supporting you and they don't even support you. See how you catch that? How do I do my hair?
First you put in something, then you put in another thing.
She finally watched a video. Now she knows how to do the wash and go. So we're going to start it from the front to the back.
The back.
Good job. Go ahead.
Yours looks better.
This is my side, this is his side. Well, yours is still wet. What's for your kind of frizzy? Do you put enough gel to the ends of it?
I don't think so.
Put a little bit more gel to the ends of it. It's gonna last me for the week.
For the week.
Yeah, for the 5 days I gotta work. A little slow-mo on the hair. See if Abigail did a good job. Let me know in the comments below if she did or not. Right, Abigail? Mine is this side, hers is this side. I actually can't really tell. She did a good job. Just a little frizzy at the beginning, but I feel like when it dries, it should pump up and it should look just fine. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.